Pigs walk over there to the trail.
Oh yeah.
You should have heard them, Michelle.
Were they scared?
Every time we moved our butts to the seat, they were freaking out. Then I'd hear a noise, and I was telling them it was bad bearings.
You're mean. That's pretty high, that's it.
8,200 feet.